Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about DAX functions. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and MSB as well as Power BI and all. So now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. Okay, so far we have covered so many examples related to the DAX and all. Okay, so in today's video I'll try to talk about filter function, how to write, and how many parameters we need to pass, and what is the output by writing that expression and all. We'll try to understand step by step. Okay, so for that purpose I'm just clicking on data tab. So here I'm trying to create a new table. So for creating new table I'm just clicking on this one. So just try to click on this one, new table. So it's working on it. Okay, so I'll try to zoom in so that we can see clearly what I'm trying to write. So here we need to pass what is the name of the table. We can give any name. So for just demo purpose I'm giving something. So just result value. You can give any name, result value. So basically, as I said, I'm trying to talk about today's filter function. So filter function basically take two parameters. One is table and another one is filter expression. So what is the description? Returns a table that has been filtered. What are the records? It has been filtered. So finally it is returning as a table only. It's not returning a scalar value. It is returning table. So for that purpose we need to give the two parameters. One is table. So for example I'm giving geography. You can give any name. So in the filter expression I'm trying to give some kind of condition. So I want to filter only region name is equal to Canada. For example, region name is equal to Canada. So let me write Canada. Okay, so just click on enter. So now it is giving output. Now you can see how many records are there. There are 73 records are there. So basically, so I'm trying to filter entire table by passing condition region name is equal to Canada. So here if you try to understand, you can see only one value. Okay, you can pass multiple values also, there is no problem. Like in SQL Server, how we used to write where condition, like where column, where so employee ID is equal to 10 or employee ID in, we can pass multiple values. For example, here I'm passing in, so try to pass multiple values, comma. So like Canada, France, we can give any name, there is no problem. France. Okay, so now you can see there are two values because I'm trying to filter only these two values. Okay, now you can see Canada as well as France. Okay, it's giving output as a table only. So maybe there are sometimes we don't need all these columns, we want only one column. In that case we can give only this column also. For that purpose we can give the values function. Okay, so basically values function can accept either table or column name. So let me write it region name. Okay, this is also fine. In this case it gives only single column because as for our output purpose we want only single column. If you want all the columns we can give the entire table only. Okay, so if you want multiple columns just give the table instead of this one. So geography. Okay, just enter it. Now we can see the entire output as a result. See here we can see there are 121 records. Okay, so basically this expression whatever we have written, it's giving output. Again we can write one more filter function also. It's like nesting and all. So basically in the SQL Server we used to write if condition. Within the if we will try to write one more if condition. Same thing here also it's possible. Okay, let me write it. So filter. So basically initial output, whatever it is coming, I'm passing as a table to this function, and on top of that I'm writing some conditions like a provenance code is equal to, so I'm passing some value like AB, and is like we can write multiple conditions, and also what do you call, region name is equal to Canada. Okay, Canada. Okay, let me enter. So now you can see only two records, because here I am trying to write two conditions. One is province code, another one is region name. Okay, so based on these two conditions, we are getting output as only two records only. Okay, likewise we can use the filter function also. There are multiple use cases also there. So basically, as for my knowledge, if you are trying to write any kind of DAX function, first we need to understand what kind of parameters we need to pass for that function and what is the outcome of that function. So here in this case, basically, so filter is always returns the table only, it's not returning scalar value. For example, instead of writing filter function, let me write a values function. Okay, values function. So values function basically accept two things. One is, so either table or single column. We can pass entire table also, we can pass single column also. Okay, let me give, so geography, so I'm giving entire table. Now you can see all the data from this table. So there are 655 rows are there in this table. So if you do not want to give all the columns, if you want to only one column, in that case we can give like reason, we can pass anywhere any column, there's no problem. So let me enter. See, now you can see it gives the distinct values in that column only. So before that I pass entire table, so it is giving all the columns from this table, but this time I'm trying to give only the specific column. So if you specify the specific column, means it gives only the distinct value, it removes all the duplicates. Okay, even you can same thing we can achieve by using a distinct function also. Let me write it distinct. Okay, so you can study the description what exactly it is returning and all. So returns the unique values or something and all. Okay, here also we can pass, so geography, I'm giving entire table. So here also we can see there are 655 rows and all. Okay, for this function also we can give the single column, there is no problem. Okay, let me give you the region name as a column. Now you can see, so there are 6 rows because it is removing the duplicates and all. So the only difference between the values function and distinct function is, right, so values function includes the blank rows also, but when it comes to distinct function, it removes the blanks. Okay, so that is the only difference. So I think that's all for today's video. So in the going forward, we will try to come up with a different kind of functions. By integrating multiple functions, we'll try to understand how it is behaving and what kind of errors we'll try to come up with in regular scenarios in a day-to-day work. We'll try to understand. And also, so in the next week I'll try to post videos on related data flows and a scorecard and XML endpoint, as well as deployment pipelines and data mart also. So we'll try to see a lot of videos are on the way, so please try to watch if possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.